update part 2 for the Vivo X80 Pro being shipped back to GizTop. They have informed me that it's going to be about $70 to repair it. Apart from that, I have my shipping cost to send it back to them, which is looking to be somewhere between $150 to $170. So a total of $220 to $240, which, considering the fact that if I were to have to replace the glass or the screen on my iPhone, it would be about $300 without insurance, without coverage, depending on how much you've had Apple Care for, how long, and things like that. It could cost about the same or more. So that's the cost. The other part of it is they are going to be paying shipping to get it back to me after I get it to them, which is nice of them. The other thing they're going to do is they're going to throw a better case in there. I contacted them and I said, hey, I'm willing to pay for a better case. Will you ship that back to me since you're going to ship the phone back to me? And they said, don't worry about it. We got you. They're going to throw a better case in there. I will be back. The device is going to be shipping out the end of this coming week on the 29th or the 30th. Today is July 24th. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already to find out as this journey goes. Give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, comment down below if you have any other questions or things you'd like to know about this journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.